Hi guys, I want to go over daily homework page number 117 with you. So I already have my name and today's date, April 22nd, and my signature. So let's start with the adding question. So it's 5,233 plus 1,676. So when I look at this question, I know that my answer is going to be somewhere between 6,000 and 7,000, just looking at it to begin with. 5,000 plus 1,000 is 6,000, but if we look a little bit at this 200 and 600, we know it's going to be probably closer to 7,000. We're going to find the exact answer by stacking. So 5,233 plus 1,676. I'm going to start at the ones place. So 3 and 6 is 9. And then over the tens place, 3 tens and 7 tens. Well, that's 10 tens. So I'm just going to put a 0 here and carry that 1 over to here, because really 10 tens is 100, right? 100 plus 200 plus 600, well, that's 900. And then 5,000 plus 1,000 is 6,000. 6,909. So I think I said the answer would be close to 7,000, and there it is, 6,909. Number 2 is 63 divided by 7. For this one, I just think to myself, well, how many 7s does it take to get to 63? I don't know off the top of my head how many it is, but I do know that 7 times 10 is 70. So I know that instead of having to go like 1 7, 2 7s is 14, 3 7s is 21, I could jump to 7 times 10 is 70 and work my way back from there. So if 7 times 10 is 70, if I took away a group of 7, that would be 7 times 9. 70 minus 7 is 63. Look at that, we found our answer there. So if 7 times 9 is 63, then 63 divided by 7 is 9. Our next question is a pattern question. It says 25, 50, 75, blank, blank, blank. What are my blanks? Well, I know it takes 25 plus 25 to get to 50, and I know it takes 50 plus 25 more to get to 75, so I'm adding by 25 each time. 75 plus 25 is 100. 100 plus 25 is 125. And 125 plus 25 is 150. I'm getting on that same pattern I had here, right? 25, 50, 75. 25, 50. My next one would be 175. Greater than, less than, or equal to compare these two numbers. Well, 0 times 11 is 0. So whatever I have on the other side, as long as it's more than 0, it's going to be bigger. And 1 times 1 is 1. And even though that's not very big, it's still bigger than 0. And so we put our alligator trying to eat the 1. The way we would read this is 0 times 11 is less than 1 times 1. Last question asks you to fill in the blank. It says blank times 6 is equal to 66 minus 12. So first thing I need to do is I got to take care of this 66 minus 12. Well, 66 minus 12 is 54. So now, 54, how many 6s does it take to get to 54? Well, I can kind of use that same strategy I used for dividing up here, right? I can say, well, I know that 6 times 10 is 60, or 10 times 6 is 60. So if I take away one group of 6, that's 54 right there. 6 times 9 is 54, or 9 times 6 is 54. So my blank is a 9. Don't forget to do your Lexia for 10 to 20 minutes today and write down what you read and what you learned. Thanks, guys.